You only need 300,000 down payment for this amazing big property behind us. So, ano pang hinintay natin? Tara! I am RV and we're here in Village East Executive Village in Cainta, Rizal. So this property stands on a 132 square meter lot area with a floor area of 291. Napakaluwag po ng floor area natin guys, 3-story to. So nandito tayo ngayon sa ating 2-car garage. Partially covered lang siya pero pwede nyo naman yan palagyan ng canopy para at least yung full 2-car garage nyo covered na. And this is our main door. Ayan, welcome guys. This is our very spacious living area. Ang haba nito. So, ilang metro to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 6 meters na to guys. 6 meters by probably 5 meters. So, napakaluwag nito. 6 by 5, 30 square meters na ang ating living room. Although, dito natin ilalagay ang ating TV. Stucco finish na yung ating walls. Mapapansin nyo. So, very modern na rin siya. And then you have, meron tayong parang accent wall on each side using WPC or wooden plastic composite. Pero napakalaki nitong area na to. You can put U-type na ang tawag dito, couch dito, and then meron pa kayo pwedeng sala or receiving area on this side. 'Di ba? So, meron kang receiving area, meron kang sala, and then, ang isa sa napakagandang part nitong bahay na to, napakaluwag po ng ating dining and kitchen. Simple lang pero maluwag. This is our dining area. O, diba? Kita nyo na yung kitchen. Pero this is our dining area. This can fit up to mga 10 to 12 seater na dining table. Nasa sa inyo na po kung paano nyo i-maximize. So, ang luwag niya. The size of this kitchen and dining siguro mga more or less to 40 square meters. And then coming from the dining area, this is your kitchen area. Buksan lang natin yung ilaw. Yan. O, diba? So, L-type kitchen. Usually naman, nasa corner, L-type kitchen. Pero pwede pa tayong maglagay ng center island dito or bar type. If you want, pwede tayong maglagay ng bar type dito. So, kung mapapansin nyo rin, kumpleto tayo ng power supply, which is very important sa ating kitchen. And then, you have the double sink. Ano naman to? Chrome naman. Usually, di ba, matte black na. This one's chrome. And then, you have the built-in cabinets. You also have yung mga lalagyanan ng mga condiments nyo dito. Kumpleto yan. So this is our kitchen area. There's a lot to improve, yes, pero this is very spacious. If you want to upgrade, pwedeng-pwede po. Ang isa sa pinakamagandang parte ng bahay na to, kahit malaking pamilya po kayo, kasya-kasya kayo, kahit extended family kayo, kasi you'll see the bedrooms later, napakaluwag niya. This sliding glass door is going to the service area. Yan. Napakaluwag din po ng ating service area. Medyo mainit lang. It's 10 a.m. Sobrang init. Pero, yan. The service area, wala po tayong staff room. Pero pwede naman po kayo maglagay ng staff room on this side if you want. On this side, kasi may water supply ka naman. If you want to give them their own toilet and bath, pwede rin naman. But for the laundry and dirty kitchen, dito po yun sa side na to. Ito po ano lang to, yung nag-repair yata sa taas. So, hindi po kasama yung hagdanan na yan. Pero this is our laundry area. You can also have your own dirty kitchen dito. Although kailangan nyo po siyang palagyan ng canopy kasi open po ito. Pero napakalaki pa po ng potential ng area na to. Before heading to our second floor, meron tayong powder room. Nakalock lang siya, so hindi natin siya makikita. Pero this is a powder room for your guest. If you have guest, hindi na kailangan umakyat sa second floor. So tara, kaya tayo, second floor. Yan guys, welcome to our second floor. Let's head into the first bedroom. Yan. So, our first bedroom is almost identical to the second bedroom. Pero the size is more or less 2.5 by 5. So more or less to mga 10 square meters. Then you have your sliding glass windows, of course. And then meron tayong provision for split type AC. Ngayon, on this side, you have a built-in closet. Yan. So kung malaking pamilya po kayo, as I've said earlier, 'di ba? Kung kunwari, you're living with your siblings na may partner, pwede dito maluwag to for 2 packs or 2 people. Although wala siyang sariling toilet and bath, you have a common toilet and bath for the 2 bedrooms. This is our second bedroom. Mirror image lang siya nung first bedroom natin. So it's almost the same. Wala namang masyadong pinagkaiba. Although pwede pa kayo maglagay ng decorative lighting. Aside from the pin lights, pwede pa maglagay ng decorative lighting dito sa gitna. And then of course, meron pa rin tayong provision for the split type na AC. And then of course, your built-in closet. This is the common or shared toilet and bath. Yan. O, maluwag. So, kung mapapansin nyo, the floor to ceiling height natin is more or less mga, 2.7 to 3 siguro. Kaya mataas siya. So, pag mas mataas yung floor to ceiling height mo, mas lumuluwag po yung property. Anyway, this is our toilet and bath. Meron na rin tayong abang na water heater. Matte black po ang ating finishing ng ating shower. You have the bidet. Ganda yung nila ng bidet, oh. Matibay. Matibay po yung gantong klase ng bidet. And then you have the toilet and of course your sink and faucet. Kulang lang tayo ng mirror. Pero ang kagandahan, meron siyang power supply. Tatanungin tayo ng iba, masama daw pinaghahalo o pinaglalapit yung power supply sa tubig. Masama naman po talaga, pero kasi magkalayo naman sila. And this is very useful kasi yung mga gumagamit po ng hair dryer. Diba? Pagkatapos maligo, nag-hair dryer usually mga babae. So, malaking bagay. Pag wala po tayong power supply, hindi tayo pwede mag-hair dryer. welcome to our master's bedroom. Yun, no? Ang luwag nito. Ito ang malaking master's bedroom. Although hindi siya normal shape na square or rectangular, medyo odd yung shape niya, pero mamamaximize nyo pa rin siya. Paano? Dito ang ating headboard ng ating king size bed. Right upon entry to, pagpasok mo, andito yung bed mo. That's where your TV is. Kung magti-TV kayo, yan, dito. Kumpletong-kumpleto, sobra-sobra pa sa sa saksakan, guys, hindi kayo magkukulang. And then, pwede itong gawing study area or home office, tong area na to. L-type na computer table. And then, you have two windows here, openable windows. And then, etong part na to, our wild suggestion, gawin niyo pong walk-in closet. Diba? Magkabilang gano'n, no? Yung closet nyo. Tapos, sa gitna, may mirror na, or meron kayong vanity mirror dito. Napakaganda nito. May walk-in closet ka na, ang luwag ng master's bedroom mo. Diba? And then, of course, dahil master's bedroom siya, meron siyang master's toilet and bath. Yan. For the toilet and bath, same finishes as the first one. Pero medyo mas maluwag to. Kasi meron kang closet here. So, pero kung magkakaroon kayo ng closet doon, pwede nyo naman patanggal to. Mare-request naman natin sa seller na patanggal to para mas maluwag. If you want to put bathtub, baka po pwede pa. Yung size niya kasi po pwedeng bathtub to. And then this is your sink and faucet. And then your lavatory, water closet. This is your shower area. Black pa rin, matte black ang ating shower. Then gray naman yung ating tiles. Parang gray wooden tiles yung ating finishes dito. Medyo on the darker side siya. Pero maganda. You like it. Meron din siyang provision for the water heater. So this is our master's bedroom. Welcome to our third floor. Napakaganda ng ating third floor. Kasi we have a function area or a family area on the third floor. Part pa po ng ng covered or part pa ng bahay. So indoor pa rin to, in short, sorry. So more or less to mga 15 square meters din to. So kung meron na kayong salang malaki sa baba, meron pa kayong ganito dito sa taas, pwede ring party area to. Or kung gusto nyo, pwede nyo pang paggawang bedroom to kung gusto nyo lang. And then of course, you have this big balcony on the third floor. Medyo mainit lang po, pero maganda po ang ating view. Oh? Greeneries. Yan. And this part of Village East, hindi na po ito flood prone. Kasi Village East is medyo known for its flooding capabilities lalo yung malapit sa gate. Yan, medyo familiar po tayo dyan, medyo bumabaha po talaga. Pero this part, medyo dulo na kasi to, kaya hindi na to binabaha as per owner and as per the kapitbahay. So, ito po yung kagandahan dito sa property na to. Coming from the family area on the third floor, meron ka pang toilet and bath dito. So kahit may party kayo dyan, kailangan mag-shower. Weird ano, kailangan mag-shower. Pero kunwari may party dyan, kailangan ng CR, kailangan ng shower. Full-size toilet and bath pa rin po yung ating CR dito. And then, one last thing is this door. This door is our 4th bedroom, pero ano to, parang junior master's bedroom to sa size niya. O, di ba? Ang luwag. Ang laki na itong bedroom na to. Dahil nga pa rectangular shape or regular shape yung ating bedroom, akala mo mas maluwag siya dun sa master's bedroom sa baba. Pero mas malaki pa rin yung kanina, I think. Yan, buksan lang natin to. Meron siyang 2 openable windows. Meron tayong abang for split type AC. Dito ang ating headboard. Kahit king size bed. Kung may double king size bed nga, pwede rin dito. And then of course, meron din tayong built-in closet. Floor to ceiling na po ang ating mga built-in closet. Sorry, hindi ko nasabi kanina. Pero yan, meron na. Sabitan ng mga suit, ng gown, uniform, kompleto. And then, ang isa pang advantage of this bedroom is meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. Medyo pahaba siya pero yan, maluwag pa rin. Maluwag yung ating toilet and bath. Actually, ito meron ng glass enclosure. Yung kanina parang wala. Yung una, parang wala. Sa Masters, meron din naman di ba? Ayan. So, finishes are the same. Pero ang kagandahan dito, it has 4 big bedrooms. Yung dalawa, sakto lang. Pero yung dalawa, sobrang malaki talaga. Kahit isang buong pamilya kasya na dito If you're a family of 4, lalo pag may mga bata lang kayo na maliliit. So, for extended families, maganda po ang bahay na to. Quick recap lang tayo guys for this house tour. So we're inside Village East Executive Village in Cainta, Rizal. And this house stands on a 132 square meter lot area with a floor area of 291. It has 2-car garage, 4 big bedrooms, and 4.5 toilet and bath. Napakalaki po ng ating mga spaces. We have a very big sala, very big dining, and we're here on the 3rd floor's family area. The asking price for this property is just 12.5 million pesos for this huge house. But the best part is you only need 300,000 guys down payment for this house. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? I-message nyo na po kami on the numbers below. Even to our Filipino working abroad, meron po kaming Viber, WhatsApp, and Telegram. You can also follow us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, our YouTube channel. Maraming salamat and see you on the next one. Peace!